True apartment horror, The Neighbor Upstairs, Part 1. Jason moved into his new HDB flat in Tampines, grateful for the peace and quiet, except for one thing, the neighbor upstairs. Every night, without fail, around 2 a.m., he'd hear dragging sounds across the ceiling, like furniture being pulled slowly. Always the same pattern, always the same time. Out of curiosity, Jason asked the uncle next door, "Our unit above, no one stays there, la." The uncle said, eyes avoiding his. Jason laughed it off, maybe he misheard. But that night, the dragging came again, and this time, it was followed by footsteps, but heavier, slower. Then a soft knock, not on his door, from inside his wardrobe.